solve Rubik's cubes, but it takes me about a minute to solve and I want to solve it under 30 seconds. So I started researching and I found many videos and I concluded 2 points. And the point number 1 is the method. All of these videos focused on one thing, and that was the CFOP method. CFOP method is the famous speed cubing method used in competitions. Yes! CFOP is an abbreviation for cross, F2L or first two layers, OLL or orientation of the last layer, and PLL, permutation of the last layer. I practiced this method again and again and again. You might be wondering why the CFOP method is faster than the beginner's method. Let me show you the difference. The beginner's method. First you make the daisy. Where do I turn when you push me? Then the white cross. Lose you too, you don't need. Then first layer. I need you, Lord, save me. My heart. Then second layer. This world will leave me. Then spam a formula and make the yellow cross. Spam another formula to solve the yellow side. Spam another formula to solve the corners. And then lastly spam another formula to solve the edges. The CFOP method. Directly make the white cross. No place to hide. Solve the first layer with the second layer. And for the last layer, you have to identify the case and execute the formula. Each case has a specific formula. And by practicing the CFOP method, I went from this to this. And this is where the point number 2 starts. The point number 2 is the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, my movement is so fast that this cube can't catch up with my speed. But that is still not less than 30. We're still gonna practice and let's go. It's 9 AM and 6 degrees centigrade. My hands are so cold. I think I'm ready. Let's do this. I got bees in my hand and faith in my heart. I'm making little changes with every solo word. I'm thankful for this chance to get up and restart. The graves are silent, but they really say a lot. There's more on the line with every word I say. I send a message off and it forever replays. The devil's working overtime to get me off my lane. Refuge in the Lord, now he's out of my way. I was giving up. Let's go. It's been sitting on my shelf. I've been busy. Second try to prove it wasn't luck. Get caught up in this world, asking God for some help. For a head on the floor.